Welcome to Get the Math. In this lesson, we are solving a two-step linear equation where x appears on both sides. The equation is 8x plus 5 equals 5x minus 7. When x shows up on both sides, our first job is to collect all the x terms on one side and all the numbers on the other side. Step 1. Move the x terms to the left side. We subtract 5x from both sides. On the left, 8x minus 5x gives us 3x. On the right, 5x minus 5x cancels out completely. So now we have 3x plus 5 equals negative 7. Step 2. Move the constant to the right side. We subtract 5 from both sides. On the left, plus 5 minus 5 cancels out. On the right, negative 7 minus 5 gives us negative 12. Now we have 3x equals negative 12. Step 3. Solve for x. 3x equals negative 12. Divide both sides by 3. 3x divided by 3 is just x. Negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4. So, x equals negative 4. Step 4. Always check your answer. Substitute x equals negative 4 back into the original equation. Left side, 8 times negative 4, plus 5. 8 times negative 4 is negative 32. Negative 32 plus 5 is negative 27. Right side, 5 times negative 4, minus 7. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. Negative 20 minus 7 is negative 27. Negative 27 equals negative 27. Our answer checks out perfectly. X equals negative 4. That is your solution. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. New math lessons every week. See you in the next one.